Francis' works are varied, experimental, but expressive and alive. True artists like him convey something deeper than what is seen. His photographs can be felt.
A year ago, Francis gave me a book on photography. In it, he wrote, "Life goes by in a blink of an eye." Pare, you are right. Life is short. But remember that memories of a great man will live forever. Have a great journey, my friend. I will see you again.
For me and Eid Bulaga, Francis is not the master rapper. He is not the king of rap. He's not the father of Pinoy hip-hop. Kiko simply is a son. Isang anak. Eid Bulaga's little boy who refuses to grow up. He's our Peter Pan who would fly with his dreams and vision for this country, his family, and Eid Bulaga. Francis will miss you. Forever you will be Eid Bulaga's Dabarkas. We love you, Francis. Thank you.
On behalf of my family, the Magalona family, my sister Susan, Vicky, Victor, Henry, Malot, Maricar, Martin, and myself, it is with much love and pride in my heart to present this posthumous award in the category of Best Brother category to my brother, Francis Magalona. Thank you.
Hindi ako makapaniwalang isang umaga, kaya tatawagan ako ni Pia para sa mga huling sandali ng buhay ng asawa niya. At nung dumating ako sa ospital, hindi ako makapaniwala sa nakita ko, sa narinig ko, at sa naramdaman ko. Hindi ako makapaniwalang sa huling sandali ng buhay niya, nakatingala siya at nakatanaw sa langit. Mga bandang 12:00 ng tanghali, hindi ako makapaniwalang wala na si Kiko, ang kaibigan ko. At hindi ako makapaniwala sa tinagal-tagal at sa dinami-dami ng aming pagsasamahan. Sa mga biruan ko lang nasasabi sa kanya yung mga salitang, "Brad, I love you." Kaya ngayon sa lahat ng mga nandito at nagmamahal tumahanga sa kanya, gusto kong sabihin at ipaalam ang nararamdaman ko. Francis M., Kiko, Idol, Brad, I love you. I love you so, so much. And I will think of you every day for the rest of my life.
It's time to go.
So he was not just a father, he was also my inspiration. He was my inspiration in living life to the fullest and being happy about what you're doing.
Right now I'm losing a dad and a best friend. Rafa, I love you so much.
I had told him I loved him every day. So I hope that he can hear me right now. Papa, I love you. I thank you for everything.
Ay puro tukso at sawi.
last week, I showed him my thesis in fine arts, my mini thesis, and he was very enthused by it. And he said, iba talaga tayo mga Magalona. Yung sinabi niya sa akin.
Ikaw ang aking gabay sa bawat yugto.
Yung pagiging mayabang ni Pop, it used to irritate me. Pero no, I really miss it so much. In the end, I am a follower of his words, his sayings. But I am a master and commander of my ship, like the master rapper, Francis Magalona. I love him so much.
But my father is a very good man, and